everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm today already in a black t-shirt because that's what we're gonna style today. I did a poll on my Instagram to ask you what y'all wanted me to see, what y'all wanted me to style, see me style, yeah. Because a lot of influencers and stylists do it, like they have one item and they're like, you can wear this like this and this, and I was like, maybe that's fun to do as well on my YouTube channel, and I can just do it with the clothes that I have in my closet. So today we are doing a black t-shirt because there were so much different things. I got like denim skirts, jackets, socks, boots, I don't know, there were like a lot of things. But the most that came out of it was a black t-shirt, so obviously we are going to do more videos. But we are going to start with this because I love a black t-shirt and I think it's a great item for everyone to have in their closet, because if you are like not that secure, or you're just having like an off day and you're like, I want to be stylish but I don't want people to see every roll of my body, to see every little gap I have. We all have those days. Me too. Sometimes I'm like, I don't want the eyes staring at me on the streets. They will, but you know, when you're wearing this, you're like, you're not seeing anything. You know what I mean? And again, that's not hiding yourself. That's just, it's called fashion, honey. Look it up. So we are starting. I'm doing 3 outfits. This is 6. I'm doing 3. And I'm just gonna do outfits that I feel comfortable wearing, that I actually wear. Because I think it's always very weird when stylists give you outfits that they don't wear, and I'm like, but I'm not gonna wear this as well. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna walk over the street with a bow and I don't know. You know, sometimes stylists just go far. So I'm gonna just give you real, okay? I'm gonna just give you what I would wear as well. So as you can see, I'm already wearing my black t-shirt. It's from Weekday. It's a size medium. It's great. It's a great t-shirt. I love it. I actually wanted to buy another one because I just love wearing it, and when you're having like an off day, you can just pop this on and go with the flow. Yeah. So we are starting off with a biker cycling shorts. Is that what it's called? I don't know. You can buy this at MS Moda, Primark, I guess everywhere online. This was so popular last year, and I guess it's still fashion. It's just a black one. This is from Primark, size XL. And I think I already showed you an outfit like this, but I'm gonna just do it again because we all love an outfit. Yeah. So you are just popping, and this is such a cute outfit for like summer or like this time of the year, as in you can just go everywhere. Look, boom, you're actually already done. You're actually already done. You get yourself some boots. You get yourself some Dr. Martens. So imagine me having these under this outfit. Ow! I dropped it on my foot, mate. I'm so chaotic. I need to calm myself down. You're getting yourself a cute bag, okay? A bag, like, I love bags. I have so much bags because they just make life more beautiful. And this is like the bag of Louis Vuitton, like they had as well, and boom, you're already there. Get yourself a cute ass scrunchie, put it around your what is going on? What is going on today? Boom, glasses on. Look, it's matching. Yeah, boom, ponytail in. Get yourself your Susan Bell out, and you're a city girl. You are a city girl ready to stroll around the city, get her stuff, do some shopping, be fancy as hell, but still comfortable as hell. I love this outfit so much. This is a to-go-to outfit if you are not feeling yourself, or if you are feeling yourself, I mean, but this is just, I love this. This is for adventures. You can do everything in this. you can like, if you want to be chased, you can go, you know? You can go. That's what I mean. You can do everything. That's what I'm just saying. You can do everything in this outfit. You can do squats in a park. You can do posing. You can do it all. Okay? I love this outfit. You love my Susan Bell? It's all black. And I also love the color black. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people are like, oh yeah, this color makes you look slimmer. Honey, that's not why I wear black. Black is in charge. Black is on fire. Black is fierce. Black is sexy. Black is... It just fits you. It just goes with everything. It goes... Look. Green. But I could also make this. Give me a second. What do I have here? Well, I'm really color coordinated. But I can also make this pink. Ooh. Boom. Boom. As well, cute as hell. I'm just saying. So this is a fantastic outfit that you can just go. You know, you can combine this with everything. And listen, these pants, like these biker shorts, you have them on Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, MS Moda, ASOS. You have them in also multiple colors. So you could also be like, you know, I want a different color. I want like a tie-dye under it. Cute as well. Cute as hell. Yeah? So, that's outfit number 1. I wear this and I love it. You can also be strolling around in the city and then I go out in this outfit. You're ready. I'm just saying, you're ready for every situation. It's not a joke, okay? So, now we go to another thing that I love to do with a black t-shirt. And that is just throw a flare pants under it and you're done. I'm telling you, it can be black, cute as hell. But you can also work with cow print! Because we all love a cow print, y'all. I have it in cow print. I also have one in leopard print. I also have one like sort of Mamma Mia-ish. But I'm gonna do the cow print today because that's my new fetish. I'm just saying. And you can like get a print, and also these pants, like if you're not confident enough to wear this with a crop top, you can just start by wearing a print with a big oversized t-shirt, because I know that wearing prints when you're big is like putting a target on your back or something. Like, hi, I'm standing out. And when you're wearing black, sometimes it feels like you're like blending in, and with a print it's not. And this is a good way to start wearing prints by just popping it under your oversized t-shirt. Boom. Cute as hell. Wait a second. Let me just show you the bottom. Boom. Boom. Also put some boots under it and you're done. You're a done deal. Okay, I'm just saying. Is this too high? This is too high. Boom. Yeah, better. But we're not finished yet. Because get yourself a cowboy hat. Oh Jesus, I dropped this. Get yourself a glasses to pair your pants. Yeah. Don't. I got a lot of glasses. I love glasses. Let me untie my hair. Oh, I love this outfit so much. Get yourself a little bag. Bags are everything, bitch. And you're ready to go to slay the day away. It's all about accessories. It's all about the attitude, as I already told you once. Okay, so get yourself a hat. Get yourself some glasses. Get yourself a cute... Wat heb ik de laatste dagen? Ik laat alles uit mijn klauwen pleuren. Word er helemaal niet goed van. We're back. Yeah? So... Get yourself a bag, get yourself some accessories, and you are ready to go. And you are fashion diva number 1 with a black t-shirt on. It was all no trouble. And of course, when you don't have this shit, this is also looking cute. This is also looking simple, yeah? But it's all about the styling. It's all about styling. Just do what feels good for you. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Okay, outfit 3. And the last one, you guys. I know it's a quick video, but hey, we move. And this I love as well. Combined with a skirt, you know. This is a long skirt. It's from New Girl Order. I'm sorry that this video is so weird and chaotic. I am just all over the place, you know. My sweaty ass mustache. Let me tie my hair again, because I'm hot as hell. I'm also doing an ASMR video this week or next week because I also wanted to show you all. Look. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is a thong from Primark, and these thongs are amazing. It's very stretchy. I don't know if I've told you before, but hey, Primark, we move. They are the stretchy ones. They come in a 3-pack and not like in a package, but like on a hanger. You need it in your life. So the long skirt, new girl order. Can't fucking pronounce it, mate. And I love long skirt. I love it. And here we go a little bit edgier. We are gonna show our belly in this outfit. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna tie it up, because that's what we love as well. We're gonna tie the shirt up. Boom. You can keep it like this, but you can also pop it on the inside of your bra. Boom. Look cute as hell. Let me see. Oh yeah, you don't need to like you don't need a lot of accessories for this outfit, because you are already a lot. You are already boom shakalaka. You're ready to go. This is this easy. Get yourself a long skirt, tie it, and you're ready to go. I had a little cute baggie with it. Boom. Honey, you can go stroll around the city like this, and you are a fashionista. You are fashion itself. Black t-shirt and you're done. You see, you can do a lot with a black t-shirt, and that's what I always tell people. Like, you don't need a closet full of 100,000 pieces of fashion. You can just get yourself a black t-shirt and you have 3 different outfits. Boom, like that. You know what I mean? This is so cute. And this is literally also going to the city and going out at night. Or getting a drink somewhere in a bar. Being the hottest girl there. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. And having this bag into whoppa! Just like the dildo. We're ready for a fight. Now it seems to cross like I fight a lot. No, I don't. I don't. I'm a sweetheart. Okay, yeah, so that was it. That was the video. Those were the 3 outfits that I wear with a black t-shirt. And I hope that you were like, oh, I have that in my closet. Let's do it. Let's do it tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. That's literally it. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope I didn't forget to say anything. No, I don't think so. This was very chaotic. Oh my god, I need to get my shit together. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave some love. And I'll see you in a couple of days. And I'm proud of you and you're worthy. Don't forget to push the notification button if you want to be notified with a new video. And yeah, bye. Love you.